You are taking your prospects from falsehood into truth. And because falsehood is using force and truth is using power, when you're trying to sell someone the truth and using the truth, you end up having this divine access to infinite power. So the whole sales call doesn't feel tiring. It doesn't feel exhausting. In fact, being a closer no longer feels exhausting. That is, in simple terms, how this works. To go deeper in this, to study it, to master it, to become it, you would have to join my Unicorn Closer Mastermind. This isn't something where I can give it to you in a 30-minute video, or even frankly that you're going to get from reading the books. Sure, you can pick the books up. We tell our members, our clients to read the books, but really, it's becoming what is in these books. Knowing the theory, reading it, highlighting it, making notes isn't going to change anything. You need to live by it. That's the value of joining a mastermind and having mentorship and being around other closers that are on this path. As you've heard before, you're the average of the 5 or more people that you surround yourself with. But I can take you further into how you can start to use this on a sales call, or more importantly, if you really want to master this, the shift that you would make one direction, meaning permanently, in how you sell. And it is simply this. On a sales call, it typically feels, and how you're operating and why sales is tiring and exhausting and you get burned out and you make no fucking money, is it's you and the prospect. You versus the prospect. I have to get the prospect. I have to maneuver the prospect. I have to move them here, tie them down into my little box with my pre-handled objections, have to do sales to them. And so it's always you versus them versus you. If you understand anything about power and force, not this book, the other book, you'll understand that every force creates an equal and opposite force. That in physics, this is Newton's laws, is why sales is so tiring to you. When you try and do something to the prospect pushes back on you. Maybe not literally, maybe not verbally, energetically. And so if you're always playing this tag game, like push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, that's why it's exhausting. And it's also why instead of you being able to use power that's flowing through you, that you've transcended to get access to, you're constantly using your own energy. And what that means is that even if you make a sale, you end up losing leads or further sales because you're now drained. There is no win-win situation where you are using force. There's only a win-win situation where you can self-perpetuate results, get more results, more results, more results, and it compounds. You've seen the power of compound interest. Only works when you're using power. And you can only access power when you're in truth. So on a sales call, instead of it being you versus the prospect, what you should actually do, which makes everything easier and significantly more powerful, is it should be you shining a light on the truth, and it's the truth versus the prospect. So you don't actually come into contact, energetically speaking, metaphorically speaking, with the prospect. All you're doing is facilitating the truth being exposed and displayed. And the prospect is now coming into contact with the truth. Because there's now this separation from you, that's what allows you to not be burning through your energy. You're not contacting with the prospect. You're not doing anything to the prospect at all. You're not trying to close them. You're not trying to sell them. You're not trying to manipulate them. You're not trying to persuade them or influence them. You are doing nothing to your prospect. You are tapping into the truth, illuminating the truth like a flashlight. You shine it over there, you shine it over there, you shine it up here. The truth starts being lit up like a Christmas tree. And the truth that the prospect previously didn't see because they're in falsehood does 2 things. Number 1, the truth is what they should be doing. So they see that and their intuitive divinity, how they've come from God, awakens and they're like, oh, that's what I should be aligning with. That's one thing. But not only that, when you tap in by shining the light on the truth to them, the truth, as I said before, is power versus force. So that truth that is coming from source code or consciousness or divinity has way more power than any sales technique or tactic that you could ever do. You're essentially comparing you versus God. You're using God to sell for you as opposed to you trying to sell the prospect. And you want to play that game and be like, well, no, I could just learn all the sales tactics and gizmos and gadgets. I'll be the best salesperson on the planet. Nothing compared to source or consciousness or even God, if we call it that. Hopefully this doesn't sound religious or blasphemous. It's not supposed to be. It's just helping you understand that there is a 4th dimension that you currently aren't using. It's so much more powerful. it is infinite, it is abundant, it is self-sustaining, and it compounds because instead of you using yourself to close, you tap into something that does the closing for you. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.